Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online classes. Now we are in the ninth standard social study. In a previous class, we already understand about that. In a sociology, the very first chapter, family. In a previous class, we learned that types of families. In that types of families, we already know that there are three kinds of families: matriarchal family, patriarchal family, modern nuclear family. In that modern nuclear families, silent future, these are all information we already learned in the previous class. Now it is the time to understand. It is a final step. Why? Because it is the final stage of the finish up this chapter. So you have to be very concentrate. The next generation of the topic is the family sub concept is joint family. It is the another part of modern nuclear family. Modern nuclear family, here what is that? That is joint family. What is the meaning of joint family here? It consists, joint family consists of grandfather, grandmother, their children. Here grandfather and here grandmother, their children and their grandchildren, along with great grandchildren. So it consists minimum 2 or 3 generations. They are staying in a same family. So that family we have to consider as joint family. Joint family means what? Undivided family. These family members are not divided. That's why we are calling we are called them sociological word joint family. Who are the major members of who are the prominent members of the joint family? Here the first credit goes to grandfather, the second one grandmother, grandchildren and also great grandchildren. How many generations are there minimum in that? Minimum 2 or 3 generation. Through 2 or 3 generation members are staying in the same family. Those are considered as joint family. Yes, here let the time to understand now what are the characteristics. Dear students, already I explained in a previous class what are the equal meaning words of the characters. Here there are mainly 2 words are there. One is features and natures. These are the synonyms or equal meaning words. Which are the equal meaning words of the characteristics? Characteristics have two synonym words. One is features or natures. What are the natures of joint family? The same answer you have to write. What are the natures of the joint family? Same answer you have to write. What are the characters of joint family? You have to write the same answer. Why? Because 3 words are given us same meaning. There is no change. So very first one in that joint family, the first character is it is large in size. What is the size of the joint family? It is very large in size. Why? Because it having a minimum 2 or 3 generation people. Great grandmother, great grandfather and their children, and grandmother and grandfather, their children and great grandchildren. These are all generations are there in that family. That's why it is considered as it is in large in size. The size of the family is very big. The second one is that is coordination and cooperation. These 2 qualities are very important. Why? Because in this family, family members are the undivided. They are living with together. That's why the coordination and cooperation are very important. Adjusting nature is the very important in this family. That's why we have to understand from these 2 qualities. Coordination, in case of family members have any kind of facility from the forefathers of the family, they are adjusting with the elders or youngers. So it is the coordination. How is the cooperation? Cooperation means today itself so many undivided family members are not got well education. Why? Because they are getting the daily wages very low. That's why they are not properly completed their education. That's why cooperation. The youngers are having the very well education, but the elders are not having a well educated. Why? Because there is a poverty situation happening in that family. So coordination and cooperation are the main qualities to lead the joint family in a very developing movement. In the next one, residence and kitchen. Here these two or more generation people are staying in one family. They are having a residence in only one house or in a big size house, and also they are sharing their food. They are sharing their food like a fair or festival. Every day they are celebration festival. Why? Because the family is in a very large in size. So in this way we have to understand the joint family members staying in a big home, along with sharing their kitchen or food with only one kitchen room. The next one is that is religion. They are the followers of the religion. Why? Because every one of the family, the under the guidance of grandfather and grandmother, which religion and which God, which principles, which religious thoughts they are following one by one. They are early morning, get up very early and take the bath and go to temple with a very wet cloth. And these are all some of the tradition they are following with the following of the religion. The next one is that is the structure of authority. Who is the leader of this family? The grandfather, not the father. Grandfather is the leader of this team, and he leads and he guides to each and every person of the family. That's why he lead the family responsibilities, and also he to structure some of the responsibility to elder sons, some of the responsibility to his elder daughters or son-in-laws. Like this, father-in-laws are there, so they are provided, they are classified their work and lead the authority. The next and last point is that is self-sufficient. They are having the quality of self-sufficient. Why? Because in the joint family, minimum 80 or 100 people staying with each other. At that time, in that only 10 or 20 members are doing work. They are having a salary, but the rest of other not having salary means they are self-sufficient. How much they got the daily wages, in that wages only how much food are sharing, and they are sharing their laboring and also wages and also clothes and also education system. These are all very very good manner they are following. If they are not satisfied food, education and each thing every day, that is the home of quarrel. That's why they are having the quality like a self-sufficient unit. So dear students, I hope that you have understood this joint family definition along with the characteristics of joint family, and also we have to finish up this chapter. Today itself I will send you the question answer of this chapter in the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much.